Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Disney Plus account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.disneyplus.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official webpage of Disney Plus, which looks like this. Click on the login button at the top right hand corner and you'll be taken to the login area. To manage and access your account, you'll need to type in your email address in the text box. After you are done typing it in, click continue. On the next page, it'll ask you for your password. Type in the correct password that you set while signing up for Disney Plus and then click on the login button to get access to your account. If you've forgotten your password, click the forgot password link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end in order to reset your password. Finally, after clicking login, you'll be able to log in and access your Disney Plus account. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.